ODII is a grabbing tool with a tiny claw that lets you control the grip. It reminds us of one of those claw games at the arcade, except ODII actually retrieves what you want without letting go. It has a slim design that can sneak in and around hard-to-reach areas. Bend it to navigate awkward angles, like behind the fridge, under furniture, or between seats in the car. Since those spots are often dark, ODII has a detachable LED light to help brighten things up. The claw is small but strong, and unlike other grabbing tools, you can control how firmly the claw grips by squeezing the handle. It can retrieve thin items, like a credit card, as well as heavier items, like a phone. And for extra help, it has a super strong magnet that holds up to 2 pounds. Use ODII to retrieve loose change, keys, or, like creator Ken Buxton, cash.
What happened to me and why I designed this to begin with is out of pure frustration. My daughter and I were going through the drive-thru. We placed the order, and on the way to pick up the food and pay, we dropped our money between the car seat and the console of my car. We couldn't get it out. That's when I had my aha moment. I'm like, I need to make something to solve this very frustrating problem.
With this tool in your glove compartment or kitchen drawer, you'll have help whenever something falls where it shouldn't.
You were there from the start. You watched her take her first steps, gave her her first set of wheels. But now she's grown and ready to explore the world. So, how do you keep her safe when you're not there to protect her? Introducing DashPal, an innovative dash cam that does more than watch the road. Here's how it works. DashPal sends an instant alert every time the car starts. And you can even track the car's route in real time. DashPal's camera features a wide field of view that captures every detail in full HD quality, offering you more protection in case of an accident. DashPal also gives you safety tools perfect for young drivers, like speed alert and boundary settings. If your driver goes over the speed limit or boundary area set by you, you'll be the first to know. DashPal stores your car's driving history with facts like distance, time traveled, and fuel cost. DashPal even saves an animated playback of your route, complete with markers that show over-acceleration and hard braking. DashPal is always on, even when your car is off. And with its reliable internal modem, you're always connected via DashPal's app. Ever wonder what that check engine light means? With DashPal, it's easy to find out. DashPal communicates directly with your car and runs a 100-point vehicle inspection, alerting you to any potential problems. Installing DashPal takes only a few minutes and can easily be done without special tools or know-how. DashPal gives you real-time information on your car's location, health, and safety.